Storm gathers a small team of X-Men to investigate some unusual activity in New York City, following reports of series of disappearances connected to a reptilian creature emerging from beneath Manhattan. So the X-Men take the sewers, but once they arrive there, the heroes are ambushed by a horde of feral lizards. But they are not the only one to ambush the X-Men. Storm and her team are taken by surprise by the amazing Spider-Man, who is in the sewers investigating the main source of the problem. Dr. Cut corners the lizard, but upon tracking Connors to his lab, the X-Men discovered that Dr. Connors is not the main culprit. He is being experimented by the Dark Beast, who is digging through Connors' DNA, hoping to learn the secrets of his mutation. But as the X-Men are trying to stop him, they are converted into lizard monsters by a machine of Dark Beast. Only Emma Frost is remained normal, and now she is surrounded by the lizard versions of Wolverine, Gambit, and Storm. Dark Beast is enjoying the show, while Frost is fighting for her life. But before she gets killed, Spidey shows up, and together they are able to escape the lab and go into the sewers. But on their way, one thing is bothering Peter, and that is Emma's costume. He simply asks her how exactly her costume stay on. He is only asking out of pure science curiosity, but Emma decides not to answer that. But before Spidey could ask another silly question, they are attacked by the lizard Wolverine. He drops Emma into the water, but Spidey manages to kick Logan in the face. But soon, the other X-lizards cornered the duo. But right at the time, Emma loosens a water valve, forces all the lizards to get drawn into that water. So they begin to look for another way out, and Spidey notices that Emma is no longer in her diamond form. So Emma says her diamond form protected her from turning into a lizard, but it's not easy to swing in that form. But on their way of escaping, the lizard X-Men again interfere. They all jump on Spidey. So while dealing with the lizards, Spidey tells Emma to find that machine that turned everyone into lizards and turn it off so they can return to normal again. So leaving Spidey in front of the lizards, Emma arrives at the lab. She prepares herself to destroy the machine, but she is stopped by another lizard creature, and while fighting with the monster, Emma frees Dr. Connors, who was captured by Dark Beast. So in favor, he charges at Dark Beast and his lizards, but before he could kill them, Spidey stops Connors. The fight is over, but while leaving, Connors warns Spidey not to follow him. The X-Men and the missing people who were turned into lizard are returned to normal again. Emma and Spidey save the day. So which part you like the most? Please let me know on the comment section down below, and please like this video and do subscribe, as this will motivate me to make more contents. Thank you so much for watching. Everyone stay safe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.